I'm going to show you how to use the bring forward and send backward commands. I'll select the orange circle and I'd like this to appear inside the blue rectangle, but it's behind the blue rectangle. So while it's selected, I'll go to Shape Format and I'll choose this command, bring forward. Now I'd like the green rectangle to appear behind both the blue rectangle and the orange circle. So while it's selected, I'll click on the send backward. The first time I click, it sends it behind the orange circle. Click again, and it sends it behind the blue rectangle. Now I'd like this yellow star to appear inside the orange circle, but it's behind everything. So while it's selected, I can click on the bring forward, but I have to keep clicking on it, and eventually it's brought to the front. My final example is I'd like this blue star to appear in front of the yellow star. So while it's selected, this time I'll click the drop down and choose bring to front.